Hello friends, Indian Electricity Act Question Part 2. Question 1. Under which section of the Electricity Act 2003 an overhead line shall be installed or kept installed? Here correct option is option B, 68. Next, who shall establish the state load dispatch center in the state under the section 31 of the Electricity Act 2003? Here correct option is option A, state government. Next, as per the Gujarat Electricity Grid Code, the load forecasting in the primary responsibility of the following entity. Correct option is C, DISCOM. Next, who can revoke the license of the licensee in a state? Correct option is C, State Electricity Regulatory Commission. Next, the development of an efficient, coordinated and economical system of intrastate transmission lines for smooth flow of electricity from a generating. Correct option is option B, state transmission utility. Next, who specifies the grid standard for operation and maintenance of transmission lines? Here correct option is option C, Central Electricity Regulatory Commission. Next, who regulates the interstate transmission of electricity? Correct option is option B, Central Electricity Regulatory Commission. Next, under which of the following statutory provision every substation shall comply with the direction issued by the State Load Dispatch Center for Grid? Correct option is option C, State Electricity Regulatory Commission and Regulations. Next, under which of the following statutory provision the occurrence of any accident shall be reported to the electrical inspector? Correct option is option D, the Electricity Act 2003. Next, as per the Gujarat Electricity Grid Code, no generating company shall suddenly increase its generation by more than blanks megawatt without prior. Correct option is option B, 50. Next, the minimum separation distance of the underground power cable of voltage exceeding 32 kV to underground telecommunication cable shall be blank meter. Correct option is option A, 0.6 meter. Next, which of the following document describe about interlocks of isolator and the controlling circuit breaker? Correct option is option B, CEA safety regulations. Next, the government may confer upon the licensee the power of which of the following acts for placing the electric lines? Correct option is option D, the Indian Telegraph Act 1885. Next, under which section of the Electricity Act 2003 the state government may notify the board or a government company as the state transmission utility? Correct option is option D, 39. Next, As per the Electricity Act 2003, the appropriate commission shall have to give a notice of not less than blank month to revoke the license of an licensee. Correct option is option B, 3. Next, the grid standard shall be specified by. Correct option is option B, Central Electricity Authority. Next, the Central Electricity Authority shall prepare a national electricity plan and notify such plan once in blank years. Correct option is C, 5 years. Next, who shall engage in the business of trading in electricity? Correct option is option D, all of these. Next, the non-discriminatory open access to transmission system for use by licensed generating company consumer shall be provided by. Correct option is option A, State Transmission Utility. Next, under the clause 62 of the Electricity Act 2003, the appropriate commission shall determine the tariff for. Here correct option is option D, all of these: retail sale of electricity, transmission of electricity, and wheeling of the electricity. Next, which section of the Electricity Act 2003 outlines the work provisions related to carry out various works by licensees? Correct option is option C, 67. Next question. The State Commission shall consist of not more than blank members, including the chairpersons. Correct option is A, 3. Next question. The interface with the work of licensee is said to be an punishable offence under section blank of the Electricity Act 2003. Correct option is option D, 138. Next question. The government of Gujarat notified the Gujarat Energy Transmission Corporation Limited as the test transmitted electricity with effect from. Correct option is option B, 1st June 2004. Next, which of the following is included in the Gujarat Electricity Grid Code structure? Here correct option is D, all of these: System Planning Code, Connectivity Conditions, and System Operation Code. Next, in the event of any conflict between the parties regarding any provision of the Greek code, who will proceed to settle the issue? Correct option is C, State Electricity Regulatory Commission. Next, as per the Greek code, the chairperson of the Greek code review panel shall be an official from STU, not below the rank of. Correct option is D, Chief Engineer. Next, who will coordinate planning of maintenance of generating unit of various generating companies and review the maintenance program? Correct option is C, SOCC. Next, in order to maintain the frequency within the stipulated band and maintaining the network security, the inter-table load shall be arranged in blank group of load as per Greek code. Correct option is A, 4 groups. Next, who shall prepare, distributed, and maintain up-to-date black start procedures covering the restoration of the transmission system following total or partial blackouts. Correct option is B. STU, State Transmission Utility. Next, a consumer having load of blank megawatt shall be eligible to obtain connectivity to the interstate transmission system. Correct option is B. 4 megawatt. Next, who shall keep accounts of the quantity of electricity transmitted through the state grid? Correct option is option C. State Electricity Regulatory Commission. Which section of the Electricity Act 2003 outlined the duties of the state transmission utility? Correct option is option A. 39. Next, which section of the Electricity Act 2003 outlined the work provisions related to overhead lines? Correct option is option D. 68. Next, who shall make alteration and amendment in the terms and condition of a license? Correct option is option B. Appropriate Commission. Next, any person aggrieved by an order made by an executing officer or appropriate commission under the Electricity Act 2003 may prefer an appeal to option B. Appellate Tribunal for Electricity. Next, the section blank of the Electricity Act 2003 confirms the power for licensee to enter premises for the specified work. Correct option is B. 163. Next, who shall specify the Greek code? Correct option is D. Appropriate Commission. Next, which part of the Electricity Act 2003 deals with works by licensee? Correct option is option D. Part 8. Next, under section blank of the Electricity Act 2003, the dishonestly receiving any stolen electricity lines or materials knowingly shall be punishable with imprisonment or with fine or with both. Correct option is option C. 137. Next, who shall constitute a coordination forum for smooth and coordinated development of the power system? Correct option is option A. Appropriate Government. Next, open access to whom shall be the last to be curtailed in case of the system constraints? Correct option is option D. Distribution licensing. Next, the capacity available for the open access shall be computed for each transmission segment and for every substation by. Correct option is option B. STU, State Transmission Utility. Next, who shall convey consent in the case of application for grant of long-term access? Correct option is option B. STU. The energy losses in the transmission system of the transmission licensee to be borne by the transmission system user shall be determined by. Correct option is option A. SLDC. Next, which of the following information shall be posted by SLDC in a separate web page titled Open Access Information? Correct option is option D. All of the above. A status reported on open access customers, peak load flow on all AHV lines, and average loss in the transmission system. Next question. As per Greek code, blank substation shall be provided with at least 2 transformers. Correct option is B, 132 kV and above substation. Next, the chairperson of Greek code review panel shall be from. Correct option is B, STU, State Transmission Utility. Next, who shall develop an agreed return procedure for cross-boundary safety? Here correct option is B, STU. Next, the charges payment for VAR shall be between beneficiary and. Correct option is C, state pool account. Next, as per the CEA safety regulations, the insulation resistance measured for 11 kV installation and equipment with 2.5 kV IR tester shall be at least blank mega ohm. Correct option is C, 5 mega ohm. Next, which of the following chapter of CEA safety regulation deal with safety provision for electrical installation and aperture of voltage exceeding 650 volt? Correct option is B, chapter 6. Next, as per the CEA safety regulations, the transformer with oil capacity of more than blank liter shall be provided firefighting system as per IS 3034 1993. Correct option is option A, 2000 liter. Next, for which lines distance protection and carrier communication protection shall be provided as per CEA safety regulations? Correct option is D, lines connecting to 400 by 220 kV substation. Next question. As per which of the following CEA safety regulation, buildings shall not be constructed under an existing overhead line? Correct option is D, 61. Next, as per CEA safety regulations, no blasting for any purpose shall be done within blank meters from the tower structure of 66 kV and above voltage level shall be permitted without written permission of the owner of the tower structure. Here correct option is option C, 300. Thank you.